I've always been interested in physical therapy. I had an injury in middle school causing me to be exposed to the industry, and so being able to receive the help kind of showed me how I want to help others.
Give my all just to get this far, yeah. Working hard just to be here. Give my blood, sweat, and my tears. Now it's my turn to be in charge.
We're connected to the PTA program at WKCTC by the clinical education system. We take students, and when they're here for like an internship or clinical rotation, we assign an instructor for them and try to help teach them in a clinical setting rather than the classroom setting.
The classes were definitely hard. You have to put a lot of time and effort into it. The classes prepared me a lot, along with clinical experience.
What stood out to me about Emilee when she was here most was her eagerness to jump in and provide treatment and try out new ideas for each individual that she's learned during her neuro classwork and coursework.
NeuroRestorative was one of my clinical rotations, and so I loved it here. The different population that is at this facility was very eye-opening to me, and I just loved working with everybody here.
It's just ever-changing, and just depending on what each individual needs, she was willing to just kind of jump in and do any of it.
I absolutely did think WKCTC prepared me for my life after college. Go with the flow. Everything happens for a reason. If you have your head set to something, go for it, because I wouldn't be here without following that path.
'Cause I'm here to get